In the Monongahela Valley, the steel industry is alive and evolving. But to keep it strong, we need a new generation of skilled, passionate workers ready to carry the torch.
This is an exciting time to be a steam fitter, to be any kind of tradesman, a member of the building trades, whatever your craft is. But we're excited about the work that could come to Western Pennsylvania.
The $1 billion-plus investments that have been announced in the Mon Valley by Nippon and U.S. Steel really equate to thousands and thousands of construction jobs, millions of man-hours.
The steel industry in Pennsylvania not only has an impact on direct employment, direct jobs within the mill themselves, but there's a lot of ancillary jobs and secondary jobs that come along with it. You know, there's thousands of jobs throughout Western Pennsylvania and across the Commonwealth that are dependent on steel jobs here in Western Pennsylvania.
The steel industry is very important for us. We have many jobs that require steel. If you drive through Pittsburgh, buildings that are being erected, it's all steel. On heavy highway projects, rebar, bridge beams, everything like that is all steel. So operating engineers man those machines to set the steel, set the iron, and everything like that.
The Iron Workers Local 3 started in 1896, and I believe they started making steel in Pittsburgh in about the same time. My father was in the steel mills. My grandfather was in the steel mills. I'm proud that we're producing people here in the Pittsburgh area that are still maintaining and keeping these facilities going, because it's just as important as ever.
Today's steel careers are high-tech, hands-on, and offer real pathways for advancement. From welders to machinists, electricians to process technicians, the opportunities are endless.
Sky's the limit. Like you start off as an apprentice, and then you just keep going up, and you can expand your career to either journeyman, superintendent. You could take classes with your CCAC credits you get here and do something else in construction with that. Like, your career can continuously grow through here.
Right now I'm on heavy highway and I really like it. I'm on really big cranes, way bigger than that. And it's a really cool job. I'm right on the river. I like flying stuff. I think I want to get into dirt work though. I just want to experience as much as I can, honestly.
I'm enjoying working in Clairton right now. I feel like every day I'm doing something different, but it's nice to be able to do different aspects of iron working inside of the mill.
You learn a lot. It's something you can do. It's a career. I'm really happy I did it because I know I'm going to have something I can do for the rest of my life.
Yeah, definitely a good wage. I work night shift right now on the job I'm on, so I make an extra good wage with that. I'll actually graduate with college credits from here too, while I'm getting paid. I don't have to pay for college.
Not only are you making good money that you can buy a car or a house and not have to depend on somebody, you don't have to live with your dad or mom because you'll be able to afford a house and a nice car.
It's not unusual at all for a first-year journey person in the carpenters or the steam fitters to be making $100 an hour in wages and benefits.
I think when young people get into the steel industry, I think the first thing that strikes them is they are really good paying jobs. Even entry-level jobs, you can support yourself, you can support a family, you can raise a family. And also the benefits that come along with those jobs. It's tough work, not gonna lie. It's demanding work, but it's good work.
That's why we get paid the money that we get paid. It's a tough, demanding business. So we have an annuity or a profit sharing that we put money into. We have a pension plan that you have money going into. We have a welfare or health care plan that's phenomenal. So our benefits on top of our high salary definitely makes it worth being in our union.
These careers, obviously offer their family-sustaining wages more than that. I mean, when we talk about it, we know that most of them are making upwards of six figures, and the potential to make six figures is there for anyone who wants to work it. You can raise a family, you can buy a home, you can have a vehicle, you can do all of these things that everybody wants to do. You can realize that dream for sure.
And it all starts with training. Community colleges, union apprenticeships, and on-the-job learning are helping to equip local workers with the skills they need to succeed.
We get people ready to join our workforce through our apprenticeship programs. The apprenticeships run anywhere from 3 to 5 years, depending on the trade. In all cases, you're paid while you're in that apprenticeship. You're paid a percentage of a journey person rate. You receive pension benefits, you receive annuity benefits, you receive health benefits. And most of your training is on the job.
We can help them. We can help them just get a job if they want to go straight to a job, but we can help them do a resume. We can help them do interviewing. We do a lot of job shadowing. We do work experiences for our youth in the summer so they can kind of get exposed to an industry that they think they might be interested in. Tell us what you're looking for and we'll match you up, especially young people, just to put them in a work experience, because what happens is we pay them, so it's not a burden on the employer to pay them. We pay them. We make sure they show up, we give them what they need to get there, and then hopefully, it turns into something like, hey, I really like this and I'm gonna stay.
And I'm proud to be a steam fitter with good health care, 2 forms of pension. All the training is for free. And that's true with all the building trades. Nobody trains better than the steam fitters and the Pittsburgh Regional Building Trades.
The possibilities of moving up the ranks are definitely possible. We have apprentices that have came into our school that are foreman, general foreman. I've had several apprentices that have started their own companies right now that are actually doing very well as company owners.
Anywhere you look on job sites now, safety is always number one. We want everybody to go home every day. We want their work colleagues to go home every day. So we want to train them to be safe also. That way they're not injuring anybody. And what to look for on job sites to make them safe.
We're looking for people who are reliable, who are consistent, who can work as a team, who are safety oriented. If you can meet those criteria, we can work with you. And when you get hired in, there's extensive training programs. When I came into the industry, I was right out of high school. I came into an entry-level position. I worked my way up. I got training. I applied for an apprenticeship. Eventually, I went through a 4-year apprenticeship. I got a journeyman mechanics card. And those opportunities are open to anybody who wants to get into the industry, and make that sort of commitment. You don't have to come in with the burden of heavy school debt.
For young people in the Mon Valley, the steel industry offers more than just work. It offers pride, purpose, and a pathway to prosperity.
These are very satisfying careers. They're long-term careers. They're not just jobs.
I got 15 years with 2 little boys. I can support my family well. So any type of skilled trade there is out there, look into it because it's very rewarding in the long run.
I'm very excited for the future with the steel industry and ironworking, because that's building the future for my kids, everyone else's kids. The better the steel industry gets, the more opportunities grow for our children.
I really do enjoy being able to know I've worked places. I can drive through Pittsburgh and be like, oh, I put pipe in there, oh, I hooked up the chiller in that building, and I can point it out to my family and my friends, and they're like, wow, you've worked a lot of places, that's so cool, and it's really awesome.
We're building America. I'm so proud whenever I drive past the bridge that I work on that I got to help that, and it'll be there for a long time, and I'll be able to tell my future kids and my friends that I helped on that job and I helped build that bridge.
There's a lot of pride in that because you helped build Western Pennsylvania, you helped build the steel industry, you helped build all these buildings and heavy highway projects to keep the jobs here local.
People take a lot of pride in being a steel worker, especially here in Western Pennsylvania.
You're getting something accomplished every day. You feel better about yourself when you accomplish these things.
So when you walk away from a day's worth of work as an iron worker, there's just not some paperwork sitting on a desk or you sold something to somebody. There's a building, there's a bridge, there's a stadium, there's a convention center. There's something that you could see for a long time and you could be proud of, and your family's proud that you were there.
You step back from like a safe day at the job and you're like, wow, like we built this, we started this, and we put this together, we're helping the community, and yeah, it's really cool.
It's an exciting time for the Pennsylvania steel industry, and the future is bright. A wide range of good-paying, rewarding career opportunities are available for those interested in being a part of this important and proud industry. If you are interested, the Pennsylvania Steel Alliance can help provide you with additional information on careers in steel.